Unveiling Idioms. Wet behind the ears. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a quirky and colorful phrase that often puzzles learners: wet behind the ears. If you've ever wondered what this means and where it comes from, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together and demystify this idiom. Wet behind the ears is a playful expression used to describe someone who is new to something or inexperienced. The phrase paints a vivid picture of a newborn, still damp and fresh, suggesting that the person is as new to a situation as a baby is to the world. It's often used in a light-hearted manner to tease or highlight the youth and inexperience of someone. The origins of wet behind the ears are as intriguing as the phrase itself. It's believed to come from the farming world, referring to how newborn animals are wet from birth, particularly behind the ears where they take longer to dry. This imagery transferred to humans, symbolizing a lack of experience or maturity in a certain context. It's a wonderful example of how language evolves from the physical to the metaphorical. Understanding how to use wet behind the ears correctly is crucial for sounding natural. This phrase is typically used in informal contexts, often among friends or colleagues in a teasing but affectionate manner. For example, you might say, "He's still wet behind the ears, but he's learning fast." Remember, it's a gentle nudge, not a harsh criticism. Let's look at some examples to see wet behind the ears in action. Despite being new to the team and a bit wet behind the ears, Jenna has shown remarkable initiative. You can't expect him to know the ins and outs of the project yet. He's still wet behind the ears. I was wet behind the ears when I first moved to the city, but I've come a long way since then. These examples illustrate how the phrase can convey inexperience while also implying potential and growth. And that wraps up our exploration of wet behind the ears. We hope this video has not only expanded your vocabulary but also enriched your understanding of English idioms and their colorful expressions. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discoveries, and each new phrase is a step towards fluency. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more insights into the English language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.